Hey guys, this is Susie Lewis, and today I'm going to show you how to build an online business with affiliate marketing.
Buy that low, making profits every day. Got that online goal, cash it out, make it rain.
Hey guys, this is Susie Lewis again. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, you can do so below. Make sure to do that because this channel is all about business. Today I'm going to show you how I make a living on the internet from anywhere in the world. There are 7 steps in total, and I'm going to show you the entire inside story. You're going to learn how I do up to $6,000 in commissions in 1 week from promoting other people's products. I'll go over how I did over $143,000 in 1 week launching my own product line. And I'll walk you through exactly how I did it. I'm gonna demonstrate how you too can make a Facebook fan page and do simple newsletter promotions, making affiliate commissions from them, and then how to do a webinar, how to get amazing click-through rates with email marketing. All are basically the everyday tasks. In everyday life, people ask me how I built a sustainable business online. As they see, I truly love the freedom I have. I say, if you can post on social media, make some screen captures, and email people, you've got what it takes. All right, so let's get started. Step 1, find your niche and what you're passionate about. This is a good tip. Make sure that you know what you're doing and about what market you are working in, what products you're selling, and what you're talking about. If you want to make hundreds of sales a day, you need to make sure that the niche has a market in the first place. Are there enough people out there that want what you have to offer, or will buy certain items from companies that will pay you a commission? That's pretty much how you get paid, but there are some exceptions. For instance, selling a domain name, winning a contest, and there's a lot more income producing models too. Basically, write down a list of everything that you're really good at. Then you can cross-reference your experience level in a niche with a marketplace, like on ClickBank, for instance. Pick a niche that you're already interested in, something that you know better than your competition. Know the products and services that you'll be selling. One of the things that I was really passionate about was the blockchain and crypto technology, and that's what was blowing up in 2017, so that's what I chose to go with. Step 2, build your first asset. What I did to get started in affiliate marketing is I built a Facebook fan page first. See, after I was experiencing success trading cryptocurrencies, I knew I needed to build a fan base. So what better way to do it than on Facebook? I clicked on Start a Fan Page, created the page, added cool cover, and began building a fan base. Not only would I broadcast my results with crypto, but I really wanted to entertain folks too and develop a community. Step 3, promote your asset. In the beginning, you start off with 0 fans. So I would post a pic plus a description and then click on Boost for Facebook advertising. I'd spend sometimes as low as $5 and get a few hundred likes on the post. The hotter the post, the cheaper it is. Step 4, start your first promotion. So now I have this fan page. It was around 8,000 fans. When I started posting or doing a Facebook Live, the fans were actually very active. The theme of the page was crypto, so I always kept relevant to the crypto niche and really trying my best to help deliver value and good information. So a very useful product came out and there was a launch contest announced. And I remember thinking, man, my page and list might love this. So I emailed the owner of the new product coming out and asked if I could participate in the launch and promote his product. I scheduled a webinar in my GoToWebinar account to demonstrate using the product and then began to post the registration link on my fan page. I had around 100 or so people registered for a certain time on a certain day, and then I did the webinar. During the webinar, I first introduced myself, talked about the strategies and software, I demonstrated the software, and then I showed people how they could buy it in that same order. Now, when I started showing how to buy it, people didn't buy it right away. I had to answer questions, then show the sales page a couple of times. Then I saw my first sale come in for $100 commission. I then spent another hour helping people and talking to them about their purchases. Then I said goodnight and went to sleep. In the morning, I saw people were still buying. I went into the GoToWebinar account and I grabbed the replay video and posted it on my fan page. More sales started coming in from the replay. Meanwhile, the sales leaderboard came out and I was tagged by the owner on Facebook and other social media as I was in the top 10 of affiliates for this particular launch. And by the end of the week, I came in number 3 on the leaderboard for a $250,000 launch. And those were reoccurring commissions I was getting. It tallied up to around $6,000 when all was said and done. So the great thing was that I got to meet everyone on that leaderboard. We messaged each other, we introduced ourselves, and later on, this would become some epic friendships. Step 5, creating products. I had been meaning to create crypto control panel that would give indicators to find buying prices and selling prices, so I hired a programmer off freelancer.com to build one. Not only was I going to use the software for myself, but I'll release access to it for free to handle bandwidth and pay the bills. So I put my crypto site on ClickBank and told all my new friends that I was going to do a launch contest to kick off my new brand. The price to get access was $37, and then I offered an upgrade to come to my weekly webinar meeting for $97. Those were my products. Step 6, launch your software. So launch day came, and all my new friends all promoted me at the same time. And in the first 7 days, I did $143,000 in sales. By the end of the month, we did almost $250,000 in sales. 1,500 transactions, a very exciting competitive sales contest, and tons of happy customers. And many of them I was going to meet live on my webinars. Step 7, promote to your buyers list. So now I had over 1,500 buyers of my software who were automatically added to my autoresponder at sendlane.com. And you can broadcast to the list when other offers come out or to invite them to my webinars and workshops. There I would speak with them in the webinars and share my screen. Again, doing something that I knew well and enjoyed doing. I still do these webinars to this day for up to 7 hours sometimes. They are so fun. But users will also want to know about other products and opportunities that come out. I now had this list of 1,500 buyers, so I had done many promotions to the list. So I had done $4,000 promos, $7,000 promos, usually all in a week's time. It's fun, rewarding, and allows you to work when you want. All right, guys, one of the affiliate marketing sites that I like to use is Warrior Plus. What is amazing about these product lines is they're iCloud-based software or technological or tutorial systems. So in the beginning, when I first started doing this outside of the crypto niche, one of the best ones that I did a promotion for was this one, Stealth D. The front end ticket or cost was like $11. So it was just a lot of repetition of $11, but some of the upgrades within the sales funnel got as high as $95. The front end offer is really low, but then as you go in, they may want, a little bit more details, a little more access to technology that's been designed within that niche or that realm. So this was a really exciting launch. I really like Stealth D, but there's other platforms beyond Warrior Plus that are still going to make you money also, which is like a JVZoo site and ClickBank. Invisible was another great launch. This particular creator of the product actually was selling to his subscribers too, and he did this thing where if you were selling the product, then he would give you some of his sales too. So it was amazing. I think I made an additional $300 just by him doing what he calls a reverse Kanga. That was pretty fun. So there's a lot of different options during launch week that these product producers, they give to the salespeople just to get them to promote. And that's another thing is like, I didn't win a contest with any of these, but this was like my first year in affiliate marketing outside of the crypto niche. But beyond the contest money, there's other perks. Sometimes these sales guys where the product creators will give you 100% commission for a few hours of the launch, or also 100% commission maybe for like 1 or 2 days during a launch, or even a post-launch promotion will happen on a weekend. So this is an AWeber email account. We are in my Crypto Girl email list, that was just designed specifically from people that have come to my weekly webinars. So this isn't from a product launch. This is just from people that come to the weekly tutorials. So here we have 18% on this particular email that went out. 18.6% opened it, 106 people opened it, 34 people clicked on it. Now I don't sell anything in this email, so there's no sales. And this is the email. Oh my goodness, you gotta see this. Always looking to find ways to put more in your investment portfolio. See you Wednesday, CZ. So right now, what you're looking at is the emails that I've sent out to our subscribers. On the left, it's showing what the like what you see in your email box. And to the right, you're going to see all the numbers. Like it's going to say a percentage of the people that actually open the email. You know, it's very rare to have a 100% open email rate. Anything over 10% is really good. So 21% open rate is pretty good. 33% is very good. And then to the second digit is the clicks. It's the percentage of the people that clicked on it. This is when I was doing the Invisible launch, and these are one of my lists that I would email to, and I would say, all right, in 30 minutes, Invisible's going live, and then to get people excited, give them information, the new technology that's coming out, the new tutorial, and that way that when it does go live and they're getting the early bird pricing, they get the best deal of the day. All right, so that's my best advice and overall instructions on how to get started. But know the pitfalls and know this is just to kind of prioritize as you're building. Just always remember, pick your niche carefully. If you're a basketball player, people may want to know how you're achieving that awesome jump. If you're good with makeup and makeovers, people may want to know just how you got that perfect look. Or if you're an expert in dogs, maybe you want to put together a dog training fan page. The secret is the more qualified and experienced you are, and the more accolades you have in that niche, the better the video, product, or fan page is gonna do. Basically, if you're gonna teach something, know what you're talking about. No fake gurus allowed. I was actively trading crypto before I decided to create a business being a blockchain activist and educator. This is the key. People fail when they don't have accolades, proof, and experiences in a niche. And now start opening a fan page in your perfect niche. Then you can build your own product if you want. Remember, you always have the choice to pick and choose which business model you want to get into. The sky is the limit, and no worries if you cannot do all of your favorite niches at the same time. It's definitely possible if you have no technical background. I am absolutely not a computer genius here. But hey, look, if you want to learn more, I strongly suggest you come to my weekly webinar. It's at laptopmode.com/go. That's a G-O. And I'll get you a free upload you can sell for commission. And I look forward to meeting you this week. And hey, remember, subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and click the bell. Make sure you leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you got a lot out of it.